Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And here's the windshield in place. We've just got through clamping it all up. Now, this is a two-seater, so we don't have a baggage door. So you'll notice somebody's inside the airplane, and it's all clamped up and can't be moved now for 2 days. So how do they get out? Well, the easy way is we take out a rear window. So we can just come in through the window and come out through the window. Baggage doors are nice in the four-place airplane. So this is how you hold the windshield parallel to the bow, to the canopy, so that it's perfectly level. And then we come and clamp it up and check for squeeze out and look for voids. We've got it all clamped in place, and now we're ready to walk away until tomorrow, where we can remove the canopy clamps, but the other clamps will stay on for a full 36 hours before we remove them. Then we'll come back and do all our trimming, put our seals back, and then we'll start the fun project of changing out the canopy, which is a slightly harder job than the windshield. But we hope you find these tips informative. Hope this is not for the faint of heart, let me say that. So we hope you found this all informative. So now that the windshield's in and we're going down below freezing tonight, we do have the shop warm, but we've added a small ceramic heater in the back on a wooden block away from everything flammable, so that we'll block this window with this towel to keep the heat in and force the heat to come up through the bow, the crack in the windshield, and then that way it will help the sealant cure tonight. So we'll be in much better shape tomorrow, and we'll come around to the front right here, and as you can see, we have a 1-inch gap, and Tim was able to successfully get out through the window, and you can feel the heat coming out. So this will stay like this tonight, and we won't touch this again until, we won't come anywhere near the canopy or anything until late. Well, it's 7:30 now. I want at least 24 hours without movement. So looks like tomorrow's a day off, Tim. So that's another little tip on doing the windshield, folks, and we'll come back and we'll discuss some more as we finish everything up. But hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman. And here we go inside the airplane. Oh, we get an echo in here. So this is what it looks like, folks. Thanks for watching.